Hey guys, remember trying to time the market is very difficult. Okay, a lot of people have tried. I've tried, and just trust me, if you take the long-term mindset, guys, and dollar cost average, right, on dips into quality, profitable companies, ideally, I'm not talking about penny stocks here, you have a higher probability the longer you hold that company or stock to make money on it. That's just a fact, okay? And when you zoom out, right, when in doubt, zoom out, and you look at the history of the stock market, what's the trend? It's 45-degree angle upward, okay? So stocks climb a wall of worry no matter what's going on. Yes, there are decades where you could lose money, okay? Like, for example, if you bought at the top of the dot-com boom, right, of the dot-com bust, I should say, when it was in the year 2000, 2001, you would have had to hold till about 2011. So we're talking 10 years before you recouped the money you put in and got your losses back, I should say, okay? Broke even. Now, that's why I teach don't FOMO in, right? You don't want to be buying at the top. It's tempting, though, to do that when you want to get in a company, right, that you really like, and it just keeps going up, 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 and it's not getting that dip, and finally, like, all right, I got to do it. And then it rolls over, right? And then it goes way down. So that's why we don't FOMO here on this channel, guys. I teach you to buy the dip, buy into the fear. It is so hard. And yes, I'll get some backlash for it because people hate buying into the dip, right? When they see it go down further, right? And that's why I say you dollar cost average slowly, where you do a slightly bigger block of shares each time it goes down. Because if you're buying on a nice dip like we're seeing right now with this correction, right, you're not FOMOing at this point. You're getting it well off of its highs. So you don't have to worry about being that person that buys at the top, right? FOMOing in, okay, and then waiting all these years for the recovery. You're buying in low, right? That checks the box there. And then it's just waiting it out, guys. And that's where you can get the really good returns buying, especially into the big theme names like in the Millionaire Maker portfolio, everything revolving around AI right now, okay? And during downtimes, yes, these high growth stocks can fall more than the market. But over time, where the big themes are, investors will rotate into those names. And that's why over time you'll be rewarded and make more money in your portfolio than you had before when you dollar cost average on the dips and you don't sell right out of fear on those dips, right? You just add. So that's what I'm trying to teach you in the Millionaire Maker portfolio. And I'm telling you guys, if you ride with me, if you can make it till 2030 and beyond, you're going to like what you see in your account, okay? It's just like I said, if the longer you hold, the higher probability of making money. And I know we have the right names in there where as a whole, this portfolio is going to beat 90 to 95% of other portfolios out there. Okay, it'll definitely beat the market. I am very confident in that, guys, okay? So just remember that timing the market's hard. And like I said, scalp trading, I still do it, right? Where I play the oversold bounces. Like I said, I'm not buying when we're at overbought status, or I wait for stocks like now where they're at oversold status, and we did get that bounce today. Even with Trump announcing additional tariffs on Canada, it still ended up going higher today, okay? So we did get that dead cat bounce. So this is where I don't like playing it now. After it's already had that pop, right? I've already trimmed and raised my stop loss, right? It already kicked me out. I made my money today, and that's it. But like I said, long term, you guys know I have these stocks that I'm scalping in my short-term account. I also have these in the Millionaire Maker stock portfolio. So that's the great thing is I just add. Remember, I don't sell. It's hard though. I get that, guys. During fear, uncertainty, frustration, confusion, all these emotions we get, you have to refrain from clicking that sell button and panic. And that's why I say before you panic, make sure to set up a one-on-one Zoom session with me so I can calm your nerves and help you, remember that stocks will go up again later. We're in the correct names, guys, okay? And it might take a quarter, maybe two. But like I said, the longer you can hold, the higher probability of you making money on that stock. And it's best if you are freaking out, if you're having panic attacks, you can't sleep at night, then you need to get away from your account, number one. And just remember position size, right? You keep it lower. I understand if you're already in big positions, right, and you're down, you have to wait for the recovery, okay? And so get away from the account if it's going to bother you, right? Do other stuff to take your mind off of it, okay? And then one day we will come out of this, guys, okay? I've been here before, so like I said, ride with me. I got your back. Line up a one-on-one with me. Like I said, it's very beneficial. I've been doing a lot of these here over the last week, guys, and it's been helpful to every person I've talked to, okay? So make sure, email me at brettthestockpicker@gmail.com. I'd be happy to help you, okay? And enjoy your day, guys. And like I said, be patient in the long-term account. And in the short-term account, as you know, I'm just scalp trading when I get oversold opportunities. And so, like I said, we did get that bounce today. So drop me a comment if you did make some money playing this oversold bounce.